you check the kernel version? You can check the kernel version by using uname-r. Uname-r is nothing but to display the kernel version. What is that? It will display the kernel version. Okay. So uname-a means nothing but all. It will display the all. cd/etc. So the all the configuration files. ls-la means all the list of all hidden files and normal files. Everything will be showing in this by using ls command. By using ls command, you see these are the hidden files, normal files. Everything will be showing. Understood, guys? Yeah. The next command. The next command is mkdir. Guys, if you want to clear the screen, so clear is the command. What is the command? The command is clear. Or Windows in the shortcut is Control plus L. The shortcut keyword is Control plus L. It will clear the screen. Okay. So LSCPU. What is that? LSCPU. It will display the CPU information. Everything will be CPU information like x86 64-bit or 34-bit or 64-bit. Right. It will display. The next command is so make a directory. I want to create a folder in the Linux. Just right click new folder. It will create it. But in the Linux, we need to create the manually through the commands only. Mkdir is the command. blujaytech. Okay. Yeah. blujaytech directory is created. How do you know if it is a directory or not? ls-la. So what is that? So the starting letter is D is nothing but a directory. blujaytech is the directory. Okay. I want to create a multiple directories. So mkdir CentOS, Fedora, Red Hat, MKDAR, Ubuntu. Yeah, so we created the single folder at a time. We created the multiple folders at a time, multiple directories at a time. I want to create a bulk directories in single command. So, for example, so for year, how many weeks, guys? 52 weeks. I want to create a week 1 to 52 with one command, or I want to create a month folders day 1, day 2, day 3 and to day 30, right? The mkdir week hyphen colon 1 dot 30. So what it will create the sorry week, right? 52 weeks per year. Okay. So right. So mkdir week 1 to week 52, week 1, week hyphen 1, week hyphen 2 and so week hyphen 52. Okay, you see, it's created 52 weeks from 1 to 1 to 52 weeks with one single command. If you want to create a 52 directories, mkdir week hyphen 1, mkdir week hyphen 2, mkdir week hyphen 3, mkdir week hyphen 4, mkdir week hyphen 5. So right, at up to and so on, we can create the directories. So within the single command, we can create a hyphen 1 dot 30. Okay. So these all are the 30 days, day 1 to day 30 folders will created. Day 1 to day 30 folders created. Yeah. So how to create the folders with subfolders. I want to create a blujaytech. I want to cd is nothing but a change directory. If you want to go from one directory to another directory, so we can use the cd directory name. Cd, what is the directory? blujaytech. blujaytech. So we are in the blujaytech directory. I want to create another directory where you are going to use the pwd command. Pwd is nothing but a present working directory. So where you are under the root. Under the root there is a directory called as a blujaytech directory. So you want to create another directory within the directory. So blujaytech class 1. So again cd class 1. So where you are under the root blujaytech class 1. Again, I want to create the mkdir class 2. Right. Again, I want to execute the pwd cd class 2. Okay, pwd ls. Okay, so root blujaytech class 1 and class 2. Class 1, class 2. Right. Under the root there is a blujaytech. Under the blujaytech there is a class 1. Under the class 1 there is a class 2. Right, guys. Under the class 1 there is a class 2 directory. Okay, I want to create another directory within the directory mkdir class 3. Okay, cd class 3. Okay, guys, understood? So clear or control L, it will clear the screen. PWD where you are under the root. Under the root there is a blujaytech. Under the blujaytech there is a class 1. Under the class 1 there is a class 2. Under the class 2 there is a class 3. Class 3. I want to go one step back. I want to go one step back. How you can go, guys? So I want to go to come out to come one step back. So what is the command? cd cd dot cd dot. It will come out from one step means so it will come out from class 3 to class 2. Let's see. You see, so this is the pleasant working directory. So where you are pwd. Guys, where you are under the root. Under the root, there is a blujaytech. Under the blujaytech, there is a class 1. Under the class 1, there is a class 2, guys. Right? Before class 3, we came out from one directory. Again, I am going to cd class 3. Where you are. So I want to go two steps back. Cd dot slash dot. So it will go to two steps back. pwd. So root to blujaytech class 1. So you are came out from two directories. Again, I want to go class 2, class 3. So now I am in the again class 3. I want to go three steps back. cd dot slash dot slash. So I want to go five steps, four steps. So cd dot slash and etc. Guys, now you understood. So yeah. So this is nothing but a three steps back, right? cd dot. Three steps will go back. You see, it came out to blujaytech pwd. pwd came out from blujaytech. What is cd hyphen, guys? What is cd hyphen? Go to the last working directory. Go to the last working directory. So you are in the blujaytech, but which command you executed? Cd dot, right? It came back to 3 star. So again it will go back to the last command, last working directory where you are working the last working directory. Your last working directory is class 3. Okay, CD. What is the CD, guys? To go to directly, so where you are under the class 3. So if you press the CD, it will directly go to the home directory. You see? So it will go to the CD hyphen is nothing but it will go to the last working directory, and CD is nothing but it will directly go to the home user's root directory. Home user, so root directory. Guys, understood? CD is nothing but a change directory. So CD blujaytech. If you want to go where you want to go. So I want to create a without going to the directory, I want to create a directory within the directory. So mkdir hyphen p slash root blujaytech class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. I want to create a class 4. I don't want to go to the this here. I don't want to go to here. I am in the root directory where you are. So guys, so before any command, if you use the hash, so that command will not execute, guys. Hash is nothing but a comment. That command will not work. Okay. So pwd, where you are under the root, but you are trying to create a file, call it as a class 4. You are trying to call it as a class 4. How you can do it? You can do it by using the hyphen p. Hyphen p is nothing but a parent directory. Which directory I want to create? I want to create the parent directory called as a class 4. Guys, understood? Class 4. Guys, understood?